Have you ever noticed how hard it can be to find specific information in project's task sheet? Particularly in large projects, just finding things can take big chunks of your time. You could use Project's Find feature, that's Control F on your keyboard, and find items one at a time, such as I'm doing here. Find Next. I'm looking for the word Review. Find Next. Find Next. And then modify each piece of text individually. Leave the dialog, come back to the dialog, and go through. I find that kind of cumbersome for me. In this session, we will circumvent Project's Find by creating an interactive filter. That's a filter that asks you what you're looking for and then delivers all of the instances of that information at once. The filters are found in the View tab. Here we are in the View tab. They're in the Data group, and they are the middle option in this list of three options: Highlight, Filter, and Group By. When you click on the drop-down, Project offers you all of your options, the built-in or canned filters, plus what we're after, which is a new filter. First challenge is to give it a useful name, and this is a simple filter, so I'm going to just call it Search Name Field. I'll have it show in the menu. The actual name of the task name field is name. So just type in an N. Project will find the name field for you. Under test, we may not know all of the words that are in the task name field that we're looking for. We may do just one word or even a part of one word. And so our test can't be exact. It has to contain the information that we type in. So the test here is contains. And then in the value, this is where we tell Project what we want it to ask us, as well as to create the filter as an interactive filter. We'll start off with a double quote. This tells Project that we want to create a dialog box, and it's going to ask us this question: what text do you want? Or something like that. Question mark, closing quote. So that's going to be the information in the that's being asked us. What makes this interactive is a second question mark outside of the quotes. So what text do you want? And then we'll have the interactive filter. I'm going to save this filter. And once you've saved it, that filter should be available as a custom filter. Here's the search name field, as well as a highlight filter. So it can find it in the list of tasks for you. And I'm going to demonstrate both of those here. So what I'm going to look for is the milestones. And in this particular project, they're control gates. So I'm going to look for control. Here we go. First, the filter. Custom filter, search the name field. Here comes the text. What text do you want? I'm after control. Click on OK. And Project finds my control milestones and presents them to me. Now, in the filtering mechanism, we've asked for the text that has the word control, and it's going to give us only that information. It filters out anything that doesn't meet the criteria. That's what filters do. A highlight filter is going to look at the list and simply highlight the words on the list or highlight those cells in the list that meet the criteria. I'll go ahead and take off the filter. Then we'll run the highlight filter. Search name field, and again, I'll look for control. And as you can see, it found what I was looking for and is now presenting it to me in the list as it exists rather than filtering out data. Don't forget to reset the filters when you're done with them to go back to a non-filtered state. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, do consider that once you create these custom filters, these are now available in reports as well, so you don't have to print everything in your list. You can filter out the information that you don't want.
There's more to know about Microsoft Project. Be sure to check out our other project tutorials on YouTube. For great training in project or project management, contact us at www.versatilecompany.com.